You saw what flopped at Dollar Tree last week. Now the opposite. I bury cardboard. The worms multiply. My count went up 4 times in 6 weeks. Free. Welcome back, Maggie here. Same Zone 7 backyard. Same 30-year-old shovel. No affiliate deals. No sponsored takes. Just me. A flattened Amazon box and a worm count that quadrupled. If this is useful, that subscribe button under the video keeps me showing up. Tell me your worm count in the comments. Surface check. 1 square foot. After a rain. I read everyone. Today's deal. 10 ways to use cardboard so worms stay and multiply. 3 skips. And the killer at number 1. The 7-layer stack that took my count from 40 to 170 in 6 weeks. Number 10. Use any clean unprinted cardboard. The brown corrugated kind. Amazon boxes, grocery boxes, shoe boxes. If it tears like a leaf and smells like nothing, it's worm food. That's the test. Cardboard is mostly cellulose, same molecule that's in fallen leaves. Worms have been eating that compound for 400 million years. First time I laid a sheet down, peeled it back at 48 hours. Half a dozen red wrigglers underneath. They show up that fast. Number 9. Where to source bulk free. The trick that lets you cover a whole bed for nothing. Costco recycling pile. Saturday morning, they throw out hundreds of flattened sheets a week. Most stores let you take them. U-Haul rental. Leftover packing material at the end of every move. They give it away. Local Buy Nothing group on social. Post once. Need clean cardboard for garden. 2 replies in an hour. I haven't bought a piece of cardboard in 3 years. Whole front border, side path, raised beds. All from free supply. Number 8. What to remove before you bury it. This is where most people skip a step and lose half the benefit. Pull off the packing tape. All of it. Plastic film stays plastic for 200 years in soil. Microplastic right under your tomatoes. Pop out the staples, they rust through. Sure, but the rust drops iron oxide right where roots feed. Not what you want. Glossy printed surfaces. Peel them off if they peel. Skip the panel if they don't. Coatings block air and water transfer. Brown matte cardboard, tape stripped. Staples out. That's the substrate worms actually want. Number 7. Tear. Don't cut. The way you break it down matters more than people think. Find the corrugation grain, the parallel ridges inside. Tear along that line. The fibers separate where they're already weak. Torn edges absorb 3 times the water of cut edges. Capillary action, the loose fibers wick moisture down into the soil. Cut edges seal under their own pressure when they get wet. The cardboard sheds water instead of feeding it down. 5 seconds to tear a sheet. 10 if it's been pressed flat. Worth every second. 3 items in. Worms already on the way. We're just getting started. And remember the 7-layer stack at number 1? 4 times the worms, we're getting there. But first, the first skip. The cardboard most people grab without thinking. Now the first skip. Glossy printed cardboard. The cereal box, retail display, brightly colored kind. The print shop coatings are clay-based. They block air and water from passing through to the soil below. Cardboard suffocates the bed instead of feeding it. The inks themselves. Heavy metals show up. Cadmium in red, lead in yellow, chromium in green. None of those belong in your tomato bed? Test. Tear a corner. If it tears clean and white inside, the brown layer is fine. If the print bleeds into the tear, toss it. And tomorrow, I'm at Walmart cart-mathing 3 garden finds against the Home Depot brands. The savings are stupid. Stick around. Number 6. Where to place it and how to cover it. The HOA-friendly version. Lay flat directly on bare soil. Or on grass if you're killing it for a new bed. Edges overlapping by 2 inches. No exposed soil. Then 2 inches of mulch on top. Wood chips, decorative bark, or Dollar Tree decorative mulch, all fine. The mulch hides the cardboard completely. Garden bed temperature drops 8 degrees Fahrenheit under cardboard plus mulch. Documented. 6 hours of summer sun, soil stays cool, roots stay happy. I covered my front border last spring. Neighbor walked by, said it looked tidier than ever. He never knew there was Amazon cardboard under there. Number 5. Single layer for active beds. Lasagna stack for new beds. 2 recipes for 2 seasons. Single layer your existing tomato or pepper bed. 1 sheet of cardboard, 2 inches of mulch, refresh next year. Maintenance mode. Lasagna, building a new bed from scratch. No digging, no rototiller. Cardboard on grass, then layers, then plant in 6 weeks. Building mode. Same material, different intent. Single is the diet plan. Lasagna is the construction project. We'll get to the lasagna build at number 1. That's where the 4 times worm count comes from. Number 4. When to refresh, the forgotten step. In Zone 7, a single cardboard layer fully decomposes in 4 to 6 months, half a year. Then it's humus, black gold, mixed into your soil. If you wait too long, the worms start surfacing looking for food. They'll head for next door's mulched bed. You lose the colony. Mark a calendar. April laydown means October refresh. October laydown means April lift. The rhythm is half year. 1 Saturday twice a year. That's the maintenance budget. And every refresh, the soil underneath gets another layer of cellulose-fed humus. Compounding, the bed gets better every cycle. Like a savings account that pays interest in worm castings. 5 items in. Cart math so far, $0 on cardboard, $5 on Dollar Tree mulch for a 4x8 bed. Compare that to a single bag of commercial worm castings, $25 and you get 1 application. And the killer at number 1 is still ahead. Stick with me. Now the second skip, the one that ruins the whole trick before it starts. Skip leaving cardboard bare. The lazy version, flatten a box on the bed, walk away. First windy day, half the cardboard's in the neighbor's yard. The rest dries to a crisp because there's no mulch holding moisture against it. Without the mulch cover, worms won't move in. They need darkness, moisture, and the soil cardboard interface. 3 conditions. Mulch buys you all 3. 2-inch mulch layer is non-negotiable. Without it, the trick fails. With it, you're 3 days from worms. Number 3. Pair with kitchen scraps. The accelerator. Bury a banana peel and a handful of coffee grounds under the cardboard, spaced about a foot apart. Banana brings potassium, coffee brings nitrogen. Worms can smell both within 6 hours. Worms migrate up to the scraps. They feed, then deposit castings on the way back down, right in the root zone of whatever's planted above. Like room service for your tomatoes. Worms are the staff, the cardboard is the hotel. Don't pile too much. 1 banana peel per square foot, 1 tablespoon of grounds. More gets anaerobic and stinks. The whole thing flips. 6 items in, worms now multiplying, soil temperature down 8 degrees, cardboard slowly turning to humus. And the killer stack still ahead, the 7-layer recipe. Number 2. Use cardboard as a path killer to build new beds. The 2-month grass kill. Lay 6 layers of cardboard directly on grass, wherever you want a future bed. Overlap edges by 4 inches, no gaps. Cover with 4 inches of mulch and 4 inches of compost. Done, walk away. 60 days later, the grass is dead. The cardboard is half decomposed. The layer above is rich planting soil. Plant straight into the topping. Roots reach down through the now soft cardboard. By spring, no trace of grass at all. I built my entire pepper bed this way last fall. No tilling, no herbicide, no backbreaking sod removal. 60 days and I had a bed. The grass underneath becomes part of the soil, nitrogen-rich green decomposing into your future tomatoes. Ironic and free. One more skip on the way to number 1. The mistake everyone makes their first time. Skip cardboard with packing tape still attached, the clear plastic strips and the brown paper tape with reinforcement fibers. Plastic film traps moisture against the cardboard. Underneath it gets anaerobic, stinks like a swamp, kills the very microbes you want. And it stays plastic for 2 centuries. Microplastics under your tomato roots, leaching into your dinner, not the trick. 5 seconds to peel the tape off before you lay the sheet down. That's the whole correction. Alright, recap before the killer. Cart math one more time. Cardboard $0, mulch $5 for a 4x8 bed. Total, $5, lifetime. Compare commercial, $50 in castings, $30 in inoculant, $200 in worm bin kit, $280 saved. And worm count, 4 times what it was. The number that took me from buying castings to having too many to use. If you've got a worm count from before and after, drop it in the comments. I want to know what your number did. I read every one. The biggest jump I'll feature next month with photos. Now, number 1, the killer, the 7-layer worm lasagna. Here's the recipe. 7 layers built in one Saturday, fully populated by week 6. Layer 1, bare ground or grass, just whatever's there, no prep. Layer 2, cardboard, 6 sheets thick, overlapping. This is the structural floor. Layer 3, green material, fresh grass clippings, kitchen scraps, banana peels, coffee grounds, 3 inches deep, nitrogen layer. Layer 4, brown material, dry leaves, straw, more cardboard torn small, 4 inches deep, carbon layer. Layer 5, green again, 3 inches, same as layer 3. Layer 6, brown again, 4 inches, same as layer 4. Layer 7, finished compost or topsoil, 2 inches. This is your planting medium. Total height about 16 inches when built. Settles to 10 or so by week 3. Why 7 layers? The alternation green-brown forces a controlled decomposition rate, fast enough to feed worms, slow enough not to flip anaerobic. The cardboard floor at layer 2 is the worm magnet. Cellulose plus moisture plus darkness equals every worm in 50 feet showing up to feed. Week 1, worms find the cardboard floor. Population doubles by sheer migration. Week 3, they start feeding upward through the green and brown layers. Castings deposited every layer they pass. Week 6, count them at the surface. Mine went from 40 per square foot to 170, verified twice. 4 times the population, 4 times the castings, all in 6 weeks, all for the cost of mulch. And the bed itself is now a planting bed. Layer 7 is your soil. Plant tomatoes straight in, roots reach down through layered humus. Cart math compare, the lasagna stack, $5 of mulch and 1 Saturday, built bed plus 4 times worm count. Commercial worm bin starter, $200, ongoing care, slow population growth, the garden does for free what the kit does for $200. Recap, reverse top 3, what to do tonight. Number 3, pair cardboard with 1 banana peel and 1 tablespoon coffee grounds per square foot, worm magnet. Number 2, use cardboard as a path killer for new beds, 60 days, no tilling, no herbicide. Number 1, the 7-layer lasagna stack, 4 times worm count in 6 weeks, $5 of mulch. And from the skip list, no glossy print, no bare exposed cardboard, no packing tape. 3 rules, lifetime free worm hotel. If you only do one, start with number 1 tonight, the lasagna stack, worms by week 1, multiplying by week 6. 1 teaspoon of healthy soil holds 8 billion living organisms. Cardboard is the dinner bell. Worms work for free. They never quit. They never ask for a raise. They just need somewhere dark to live and something soft to eat. The whole thing is free except the mulch on top, and the work the worms do that's worth $50 a bag at any garden center. Bury cardboard, walk away, come back to a 4 times jump. The garden has been doing it without you for 40 million years. In my next video, I'm at Walmart cart-mathing 3 garden finds against the Home Depot brands. Same product, 3 times the price. Under $10 each? Stupid savings. See you Tuesday. If this saved you $50, that subscribe button under the video keeps me showing up. You buried it. They multiplied. The work happened while you weren't watching. Smart dollars, real gardens, no apologies. Maggie out. Happy growing.